Hi everybody, today is Mother's Day, so I have my mother back again, and she's going to be helping us bake today. We're going to make some sugar-free cookies.
Because I have been eating healthy and trying to exercise, and Samuel has me on a 30-day workout program, so I'm really hating it, and but I'm looking better. So we're going to make two versions today.
Yep.
One with raisins and one without. Mine's going to be without raisins because I don't really care for raisins. And this is actually also a vegan-friendly recipe.
And it's dairy-free.
So.
And it's not free if you don't have the walnuts.
Let's get baking.
First, we're going to mash the bananas. We've got 4 bananas, and they're brown bananas because the more brown they are, the sweeter they are.
All right, I get to be a helper. I love to be a helper.
Bananas actually make my throat itchy. Now we're going to mash the bananas.
I'm very honored to be on your program today.
Oh, well, it's...
Since I love you.
The pleasure is all mine.
She asked me to be on her channel. I didn't ask. So,
yeah, this time.
You think it just takes a minute to look this gorgeous at my age? No way. Took hours.
Nah. Now once we've got some nicely mashed bananas, I cannot talk today. Do you think they're good now?
Awesome.
Yes.
They're fantastic.
Perfect. You want to add the vanilla?
Of course.
It's your specialty
item. Yes. Oh, I love vanilla.
Careful.
And my mommy always says to
perfect.
add
a
little bit extra.
No.
They were heaping.
Yeah, just 2 teaspoons.
Add a little bit more.
We're gonna.
It really smells good with vanilla.
Now we've got 2 cups of oatmeal.
I'll put butter on top.
Butter.
Oh my gosh, that is gonna be the bomb. Yeah, butter on top of these cookies.
Thebomb.com. Now, since she doesn't want cinnamon in her cookies,
or raisins,
we're gonna cut this in half. That's about half. Careful. Oh my gosh, I was trying to catch it with my hands. I can't. We're already doubling it because we had a lot of bad bananas.
we call them bad because we...
I mean, not bad. They were just brown.
Yeah, we only like to eat green bananas.
I hate green bananas.
Green.
She's lying.
Slightly green.
No,
Slightly green bananas.
the green bananas are so gross. So you mix in half a cup of walnuts, chopped walnuts. Is that good enough?
Yes, I believe so.
Perfect. Half a cup of chopped walnuts. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of cinnamon to this part of the dough, and a 4th cup of raisins. I mean, I like cinnamon cookies though. Cinnamon smells so good, and it tastes, oh my gosh, it smells so good.
There we go. All right, we're ready.
This is the easiest cookie recipe I've ever
Oh yeah, you can make them
made.
super fast. I mean, we're kind of dragging it out because we're doing 2 recipes and stuff, but if you were under the crunch,
we're done.
And yeah.
Yep.
All
now
right.
we're gonna scoop out the cookies onto this parchment-lined baking sheet. Just gonna take my cookie scoop, my handy-dandy cookie scoop right here. It's not actually working. There we go.
Oh, I'll preheat the oven to
360. Does that look good?
It smells very cinnamony. It's very good.
I know. I love cinnamon. Did you just say it's very good? You didn't want cinnamon in yours.
I know. Okay.
I have a feeling these are going to be good. All right. So we've got all of our cookies on the pan, and now we're going to bake them for about 15 minutes.
We would like to thank Hurry the Food Up, which is where we got these recipes.
Yes.
We modified it a little bit.
By adding the vanilla. Okay, so these didn't melt down like regular cookies, just so you know, whatever shape you put them in as, they're going to stay that shape.
And now we have our beautiful cookies. You do not have to put butter on it if you want to stay vegan or dairy-free.
All right. Oh, it's too hot. You like it?
I tried it.
Hey!
Moms, do not call your daughters wimps.
It's so hot though.
It's better with butter because it gives a little salt.
These are really good.
You can also put a variety of different
like
ingredients.
coconut or peanut butter or cocoa or chocolate chips, which is the best. Thank you so much for baking with us. These turned out a lot better than I expected, so they're really good to like make if you have some brown bananas. They're also vegan and dairy-free, so that's good too.
Make sure and send in any ideas that you want her to bake, and she'll be checking that out. Make sure and send in any ideas that you want her to bake. Happy Mother's Day to all the wonderful mothers out there. Nobody ever knows how hard and how...
Wait, am I taller than you yet?
No, I'm slouching. Nobody knows how hard mothers work unless you're a mother. So, happy Mother's Day to you. Enjoy it up. Have fun. Spend time with your kiddos. We love you. And if you're on the front lines, we're praying for you.
And we'll see you next time on You're Stirring It Wrong.
Ah,
Oh, it's off cake.
banana dessert. Banana dessert.
Just, oh,
Okay.
I'm gonna mix in.
We're good.
Okay, so,
Oh, my glasses. Okay, go. I'm ready to try it. Okay.
okay.
Here we go.
Oh, hot, ow.
Burn your hand on the pan.
I kind of touched it a little. Which one
Where's
should I
that pan? I just burned my hand on it.
Sorry.
Like, I've been wanting to eat some butter lately, but I haven't eaten anything that would require butter or like justify
You
putting.
just want
I
butter
just
for
want
no
butter.
reason.